anxiety, insomnia, fatigue, muscle cramps, constipation, headaches. These are 6 issues that millions of people treat as separate health problems and with 6 different prescriptions. But you will be surprised to know that there's a common hidden reason behind all of this, and that is magnesium deficiency. And honestly, it's becoming an epidemic. The scary part? Most people don't even know they have it. What magnesium actually does. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals in your body. It is involved in over 300 enzymatic processes in your body. That means it affects everything, from your energy levels to your brain function, your heart health, even your sleep. But here's the problem. Modern life is quietly draining your magnesium levels. The real problem. Studies suggest that somewhere between 50 to 80% of people in developed countries aren't getting enough magnesium. Now you might be thinking, how can I know if I am deficient? Doctors usually suggest the standard blood test. It measures magnesium in your blood, but only about 1% of your body's magnesium actually lives in the blood. The other 99% is in your cells, bones, and tissues. So your blood test shows a normal report and your doctor says you're fine. That's why this deficiency is common and leads to many issues. Why are so many people deficient? There are 3 big reasons. We're low on magnesium. 1. Our food isn't what it used to be. Years ago, soil was rich in minerals. Today, due to modern farming practices, the soil is depleted. That means even if you're eating healthy, you might not be getting enough magnesium. 2. Our lifestyle drains it. Stress is a massive magnesium depleter. Every time your cortisol spikes, your body burns through magnesium. Alcohol, caffeine, and certain medications like antacids and diuretics are also a big reason that flush magnesium out of your body. 3. We barely eat foods rich in magnesium like dark leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, legumes, fatty fish. A huge portion of diets today is made up of refined and processed foods. These foods are stripped of nutrients, including magnesium. So we're taking in less, losing more, and testing for it the wrong way. That's a perfect epidemic issue. Signs you might be deficient. Magnesium deficiency doesn't always show up in obvious ways. It's not like you suddenly collapse or need any emergency. Instead, it shows up quietly. You might experience constant fatigue, muscle cramps or twitching, trouble sleeping, anxiety or irritability, frequent headaches, even heart palpitations. And most people never link these symptoms to magnesium deficiency. They think it's just life. But your body might actually be asking for help. None of these are dramatic. None of them will be a reason to lead you to the emergency room. But together, they quietly destroy your quality of life. What you can do. Start with food. Pumpkin seeds are one of the most magnesium-dense foods on the planet. A small handful provides a significant amount of your daily magnesium needs. Dark chocolate, avocado, black beans, and spinach are all great sources too. Consider supplementation, but the form matters. Magnesium oxide, which is the cheapest and most common form, has really poor absorption. Instead, look for magnesium glycinate, which is gentler on your stomach and absorbs well, or take magnesium malate if energy and muscle function are your main concerns. And manage the causes that deplete magnesium from your body. Reduce your caffeine and alcohol intake. Manage stress where possible. Consult with your doctor about whether any medications you're on might be affecting your magnesium levels. Magnesium isn't a trendy supplement or a wellness diet. It's a fundamental mineral and your body system can't function properly without it. If you're constantly tired, anxious, or struggling to sleep, don't just ignore it. Sometimes, it's not a lack of motivation. It's a lack of minerals. Magnesium might be one of the main reasons. And giving your body what it needs can make a big difference, and you may live a more healthy life.